Today, I would like to introduce our Model 06 Mini Excavator. Its total body length is 2.3 meters, width is 0.7 meters, and height is 1.35 meters. The maximum digging height is 2.01 meters, and the maximum digging depth is 1.01 meters. The bucket capacity is 0.012 cubic meters, and the bucket width is 200 millimeters. The total weight of the machine is 660 kilograms. It is powered by a Zhongcheng brand gasoline engine that meets EPA and Euro 5 certifications. It is equipped with a 3+3 dual gear pump, and the hydraulic system operates at 16 megapascals. The gasoline tank capacity is 6 liters, and the hydraulic oil tank capacity is 11.4 liters. The boom features a side swing function, and the track dimensions are 15x72x3 for cm.